Hello everyone, welcome to this next video on complex analysis. In this video we shall see question from GATE 2001 and it is also a 1 mark. The question says the given function fz, which is given to be z cube, then they are asking which of these four is correct. So let us proceed one by one. So our function here is given to be f of z, that is z cube. So now they are asking this function has an essential singularity at z is equal to 0 infinity. Z is equal to has a pole of order 3 at z is equal to infinity, has a pole of order 3 at z is equal to 0, is analytic at z is equal to 0. So if we are talking about the point z is equal to 0, so that means at the point z is equal to 0, if we substitute z is equal to 0 over here, we get the function as 0. So 0, if the function is 0 at some point, there is no problem with the analyticity of that function. So if there is no problem with the analyticity of that function, we cannot say there is a pole of order 3. So this option is not correct. So now in order to check the singularity of the function fz at the point z, when z goes to infinity, right, at this point, what we do is, what is the criteria? The criteria is that we replace z with 1 by z, and then we'll check the singularity, at the point z is equal to 0. So our function now becomes f of 1 by z, and this is 1 by z cube. So now if we check the singularity at the point z is equal to 0, that means when you plug z is equal to 0 into this function, you will get as infinity. Moreover, here in the denominator you will have this thing z multiplied 3 times, and each time when you substitute z is equal to 0, either in this one or in this one or in the third one, right? So each time you'll have infinity, your function to be infinite. So that means z is equal to 0 when we are considering f of 1 by z shows a pole, and this pole is of order 3. So ultimately what we are saying, if f of 1 by z has a pole at z is equal to 0 of order 3, so that means f of z at the point z is equal to infinity has a pole of order 3. So accordingly from here we can say that this has a pole of order 3 at z is equal to infinity. So from here this option is correct. Obviously we have seen that the function is not analytic at z is equal to infinity, that is why we have a pole, and if we have a pole and there is no more singularity at the point z is equal to infinity, therefore this option is also incorrect. So as for now, option B comes out to be the correct option. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you for watching.